3, 2, 1.
How many elements are in the periodic table as of 2023? The answer is A, 118. Wood consists of mainly what kind of walls? The answer is C, secondary. On the TV show Scrubs, Turk changed his cell phone number to what? The answer is B, Coulter. What song was removed from Buffalo Springfield's debut album so that their hit For What It's Worth could be added? The answer is A, Baby, Don't Scold Me. Birds that move pollen from flower to flower are called what? The answer is A, pollinators. What is a compound formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium carbonate called? The answer is C, calcium carbonate. The son of Poseidon and Amphitrite, known as the god of horses, sailors, and sea storms. Who am I? The answer is A, Triton. What noble gas follows hydrogen on the periodic table? The answer is C, helium. Which country has the official name United Mexican States? The answer is C, Mexico. Hermann Mayer Herminator was an Austrian star of which winter sport? The answer is A, alpine skiing. What helps to propel sponge larvae through the water? The answer is C, cilia. What is a worldwide increase in temperature called? The answer is B, global warming. What is the world's largest mobile phone named? The answer is A, Gigaphone G1. What is the famous clock tower in St. Mark's Square in Venice called? The answer is C, Campanile. Which celestial body rotates on its axis every Earth day? The answer is B, Moon. Which kitchen tool resembles a long-handled spoon and is used for stirring?
The answer is A, spatula.
What sea creature adheres firmly to rocks and to the bottom of ships? The answer is C, barnacle. What is animal competition? The answer is A, wolves and bears eating salmon. Which Anglo-Scottish poet, author of Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, died in Greece where he participated in the fight for the country's independence? The answer is D, George Gordon Byron. What type of shoe is typically worn with formal wear for men? The answer is B. Oxfords. Which author wrote The Steadfast Tin Soldier?
The answer is B. Hans Christian Andersen.
In this novel we find Cal Higby and Mark Twain celebrating the curious time when the two were millionaires for 10 days. The answer is A. Roughing It. What is the language spoken in Norway, Denmark, and Sweden called? The answer is D. Scandinavian. Which piece of furniture has a long, flat surface with 4 legs for sitting and writing or eating? The answer is D. Chair. What kitchen item is used for shredding or grating vegetables? The answer is D. Box grater. Who wrote the book The Color Purple that was adapted into a Broadway play? The answer is D. Alice Walker. Which item is used for cutting paper or food? The answer is A. Scissors. What is the value of E. Euler's number to 2 decimal places? The answer is B. 2.72. Which fruit has seeds visible to the naked eye? The answer is C. Watermelon. What utensil is used for stirring? The answer is B. Spoon. In Season 1 of The Shield, Julian witnesses Mackie and his men stealing evidence from a drug bust. How many kilos of cocaine did the strike team steal? The answer is D. 2. In ecosystems where people live, which of the following are most likely to cause an increase in diseases transmitted by water? The answer is A. Floods. What cells carry oxygen? The answer is D. Red blood cells. What part of the human body does the Spanish word dedo denote? The answer is D. Finger. What's always on the run, but never moves? The answer is A. Shadow. What is the state of elements in the periodic table represented by S? The answer is A. Solid. What is the ball used in basketball made of? The answer is C. Foam. Who wrote On the Nature of Things? The answer is D. Lucretius. In Pretty Woman, Edward Lewis picks up Vivian Ward, a beautiful prostitute, played by Julia Roberts, who portrayed Edward. The answer is C. Richard Gere. What is a kitchen gadget for chopping food called? The answer is C. Food processor. Which of these firsts did not originate in New Jersey? The answer is D. First U.S. iron mine. In the 2004 action/adventure movie National Treasure, where do the Geists send Ian to seek the treasure, which is on a wild goose chase when the treasure cannot be found beneath the church? The answer is B. The North Church. I have 8 legs and I live in the water. I am very strong. What am I? The answer is B. Octopus. Whose mother was Saint Elizabeth according to the New Testament? The answer is D. John the Baptist's. What was the musical performed by Frederick and the monster in the film Young Frankenstein? The answer is C. Putting on the Ritz. What is the name of Jean-Claude Van Damme's firstborn child, born in 1987? The answer is B. Christopher. Which hurricane is considered the costliest ever to make landfall in the U.S.?
The answer is A. Katrina.
What does the biblical name Rebecca or Rebecca mean? The answer is D. Captivating. What tool is commonly used for drilling holes? The answer is C. Drill. What year was Chevy Chase born?